Hi guys, Sharon here. Welcome back to another video. If you're watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe. If not, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video as well. I posted this a few weeks ago and I got a follow-up comment which said that I should work on a hair braiding tutorial. Okay, so that is what this video is gonna be about. So I'm just going to be taking you through how I braid the front of my hair, and we are just going to replicate this particular hairstyle. I just had a wash thinking it would be easy to braid my hair because it's way softer when it's washed and it's easier to, you know, manipulate. Let's just get into it. Of course, I'm going to be introducing the things that I'm going to use for this video. The first one is my water, have to have this. Next one is my repair leave-in from Magda Forta. Next is my hydrating hair cream, also from Magda Forta. And last but not least, my nourishing hair oil to seal in all my moisture. So we're just going straight into working on those cornrows that we need in the front. So I'm just going to section this into the two sections that we need. Look how easy it is to section my hair right now, just because it's freshly washed. So just make sure that I have this line. So what you can do is you can make sure that this particular section that you're using is a very small chunk. I mean, I'm already used to braiding my hair, so I can work with this. So you can make it slimmer, you know, like maybe starting from here, or if you think you can handle it, why not? So we are good to go now. So you can tuck the rest of your hair behind, since we are not going to be using this. Okay. Pat this into like a cross kind of thing, just so that your braids don't look normal. So now that we've been able to section this, we're just going to go straight into braiding. So honestly speaking, I did not learn how to braid via a video or anything. I literally just watched my sister braid her own hair, and then I just picked it up from there. But I'm going to try my best to explain this. So I'm going to start with a little bit of water. So sometimes the water actually makes your hair a bit slippery. So if your hair is not necessarily wet and damp, I think you can make it work. But I can braid while my hair is wet. I'm going to go in with my leave-in. Back it up with a little of my cream. So this is just going to help your strand be very silky after you're done braiding. But once you have this, I don't think I need to comb this out because it's quite detangled already, as you can see. So we could just go ahead and start braiding. Now this is where it gets tricky. So you're just going to pull one strand out like this, and then you're going to pick it, and then you're going to move it in between these two fingers, right? Then you're going to pick another one from the bottom right here. Okay, you're going to pick that one. While you pick this, the one you put on top, this one, you're going to take it under the rest of your hair, like so. Then hold on to it under there. Then you bring this strand over, you bring it over here where the first one was, in between your two fingers, right? Then you're going to pull another one, and then you're going to move what's in between your fingers underneath your hair once again, right? And then you're going to move this in between your fingers, and then you're going to bring this back up and then underneath. So you realize when you're braiding or when you are taking from underneath, it picks more of the hair from the back. So like so. And when you're picking your strands, you want to pick them a little at a time, because you want the braids as long as possible so that it actually extends all the way down. Okay, so take some from under there, and that's absolutely it. I hope I am doing a good job explaining, but yeah, I'm going as slowly as I possibly can. And that's it, people. You just pick from under and then bring it to the front and just twist as you go. I really hope I've been able to explain this. It's actually quite easy on this side, but on the other side of the hair is where it gets tricky, because if you are not left-handed, that's probably where you're going to struggle the most. So you see, so this is the final result. So you can just finish it. So when you're braiding, you don't braid all the way to the end, you just follow it up with twists. That way when you're taking out the braids, it's quite easy. And voila. So this is the first braid. So don't worry about the product showing in there, it's gonna dry out as usual. So we're just going to get started on this side. And it's going to be the same principle, but then because it's the left side, it's actually quite, or it's more difficult. Go in with a little water, then some of my leave-in, just a little bit of my cream, and we should be good to go. So we are going to use the same principle. So you're just going to hold all your hair and then make sure that you're starting all the way at the top. So you take this strand and then you're just going to put it in between these two fingers, and then you're going to pull some of the hair back into the front like so. You shift this underneath like so, and then you pull this over, then you pull back out, and then you put this down underneath, right, and then you put this over and you bring some out, right, you push this underneath, right, put this over, then you pull from underneath, then you push this under, this between fingers again, then pull out underneath, like so. Try to go very slowly. And don't get confused. I may or may not have sectioned this right because the hair I'm braiding now feels a bit thicker than the other side, but I don't think it looks it from this angle, so it should be fine. So like in my other video, you could add beads to this, or you could just leave it as is. I think this is not bad either, but I would prefer with some beads. But if I was to, you know, put all this up in a band, which is what I am about to do right now, then you absolutely do not need any beads. Okay. So I'm just gonna put some of the products back here. So I'd usually section this out and actually try and define my curls, you know, more gently, but for the sake of time, and I'm putting this back in a pony anyway, so if you watch the other video I put out, you realize I put this into a lot of other hairstyles, so you could absolutely watch and style it in different ways. And voila. So you could absolutely rock this in any of the hairstyles that I had. I'm just going to go with this for the purpose of this video, and that's absolutely that. So you can see that the product is already drying up. So yeah, so that's it for the hair braiding tutorial, guys. This was a very short video and I hope you have learned something. I hope you can now start braiding your hair from this video alone. I hope I was able to explain well, and if not, my bad, but that's literally the best that I could do, or the best that I could explain it, because that's how I learned it. So yeah, okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Comment below what you want to see next from me, and you never know, I would bring it to you just like this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.